Hey good people, when it comes to removing the packing material off of the root ball or the container that the plant is in and you're planting it, also remember to take off the stake that the grower put on or the stake that you leave on the tree temporarily to stabilize the tree, especially the metal stakes. If the metal stakes are left in place later, when somebody may potentially have to be removing the tree and they're using a chainsaw, a stake that somehow is hidden in the trunk of the tree can be quite dangerous. But leaving the stake in the tree, like is here, is simply the grower's stake, and that trunk is trying to expand, and that's actually creating a little bit of a weak spot in the tree because in this case it was not removed. Well, for more gardening tips, please continue to follow along, click the bell, and we'll see you in the garden.